All right, what's going on, everyone? We're here at SEMA, and I'm with my friend Shane at the Bilstein booth, and we've got a pretty sweet Jeep sitting behind us.
Yeah, well, this is the new, brand new Jeep JL 2018, and it's a highly accessorized vehicle, and we bought this thing to outfit it and built some really awesome shocks for it.
This Jeep looks pretty radical. What all did you guys do to this thing?
We're doing a really awesome shock package called an 8100 bypass, which is a 60 millimeter 2.65 body bypass, which is position sensitive and externally adjustable, really high end. So we needed to make the Jeep to have the really high end products that these types of customers will put on their car so that we could properly tune those shocks.
And I see you guys have a little more suspension work done to this thing than just shocks.
Yeah, we've got a 3.5 inch suspension kit on it, and it gets 12.5 inches of front travel, 13.5 inches of rear travel. It's going to flex out really good, and we really think that with our shock package, it's going to be a real screamer in the desert, and then on the trails, it should be really, really nice.
And now let's talk about the shock. What do you guys make this shock for, and what are you looking to make it for in the future?
Well, the shock's for the customer that wants really the best that he can get. So it's our best foot forward on what we think is the best direct fit shock that could go on the JL. So not only do we have these coming out for the JL, we also are doing the JK. Currently we're selling the Tacoma application, and then we'll be coming out with more Toyota applications, Toyota Tundra and 4Runner this year.
And what kind of travel can you use with a shock like this?
Well, it's going to be good for traveling as far as articulating on trails, and it's really going to shine on driving for high speed in the desert or high speed on any kind of trails.
What kind of adjustability do you have? I saw a couple knobs on like the remote reservoir and on the shock body itself.
Yeah, so the adjustability, there's a compression and rebound adjustable clickers on the shock. And it's a wide range of adjustability. It'll be tuned so it's pretty much like this. It'll be set in the middle of its travel, and you can go, you can either make it softer, quite a bit softer, or quite a bit stiffer in both rebound and compression, depending on what kind of loads or what your tastes are. So no matter what you're carrying, or no matter what your tastes are, we think that you'll be able to buy this and kind of dial it in to your specific needs and tastes.
And do the shocks make the ride a little bit rough, or can you adjust them to be comfortable going down the road, nice off-road, and whatever you need?
They're highly adjustable, so I mean you can turn them up so it's really stiff, or you can turn them, make them completely soft so there's a point where it's like a couch. So there's a wide range in between. So if you like handling on roads, like say curvy, windy roads, you can turn up the valving and get that. Or if you want to be like driving on a couch, then you could do that too.
All right, Shane, if somebody wants to set up their Jeep like this one here, where can they go?
Well, they can go to our website and get the information on the Jeep and shock absorbers at bilsteinus.com.
Right here with Shane at SEMA. Make sure to stay tuned to Automedia for all of your updates.